Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see the course Online Marketing that is for 6th semester BBA students. It's a 4 credit paper which has an objective that students should be aware about the basic online marketing. They should be able to understand what are the skills required for them to understand the online content and communicate the same in the corporate world. They would also like to address that students should be aware about how the online business process works. The course outcome will be that the students should be able to evaluate the components and the impact of the internet, develop online marketing strategies in the present digital environment, and also analyze the meaning of digital marketing, interpret the legal issues in the online marketing. So there are five modules covered in this particular course. Unit 1 talks about the online environment. We cannot directly come to the topic of online marketing without understanding the roots of the same. So when I talk about the online marketing, we would be very much familiar with the terms digital marketing and electronic marketing. But we have to understand from where is it coming from. Where is the evolution that actually took place? It takes us back to the evolution of the internet. So we are going to cover first two lectures on what is the internet all about, what is the timeline of the internet development that we have seen, how it is able to occupy in our day-to-day routine. And then we'll also try to understand what is the internet's impact on the society and the business. So in a nutshell, we would be trying to learn how it has changed the modern method of doing the business online. Then we would be also trying to understand what are the online marketing objectives, the objectives that are involved with the online marketing, which deals with the brand development, revenue generation, and customer support. Unit 2 talks about the online marketing strategies, where very crucial elements have been covered on the virtual strategy that talks about the location, hosting, marketing presentation, payment, security, and the final stage that is the fulfillment. Then we'll try to learn what is the SEM, that is search engine marketing, and how it works. So search marketing talks about how exactly they've been evolved and how are the companies in today's era are able to utilize the same at their best. Then we'll try to understand what is permission marketing and personalization marketing. We'll try to learn the difference between the permission marketing and the personalized marketing. Then comes the website development. What is the design that the company should follow in trying to address the designing of their website? And then how to create the content on their website. We'll try to learn what is a structure that one has to follow in terms of the content creation on the website. Then coming to the unit 3, it talks about the buying behavior in the online marketing environment, which again trying to go back to the core marketing management, where we have seen that understanding the buying behavior process comparing to the online platform. We'll try to understand how is it different from the one that we have done buying decision process offline or in an outlet comparing to one at a digital platform. Online customer expectation. What are your expectations when you order a product online or when you are trying to render a service online? We are going to cover into this. Then B2B versus B2C behavior also we are going to identify. Website analytics, that is, how is this the website analytics is trying to help the companies to perform more better, to reach out to the target market in a more efficient manner. Acquisition of online customer, how is that the big four companies are going to acquire these customers on a day-to-day basis, trying to keep in touch with these customers. Then Unit 4 talks about creating an online marketing mix. It is similar to the original marketing mix that we have covered that talks about the 4 Ps. Here also we are going to cover those 4 Ps, but at a digital platform where we are going to cover the same. First one is the online product, where we understand the basics of the online product, moving towards their customization and branding dimensions, where you try to learn how customizing the online product would create an competitive advantage for the company to perform better into the market. Coming to the second P, that is the pricing strategies and the tactics, where you tend to realize what exactly is the strategies that is one is involved into in terms of trying to follow the pricing norms. Coming to the third P, that is your promotion, which talks about the all the digital tools that one could use in order to acquire more online customer acquisition into the market, or trying to reach out to their customer at their best needs. Communication tools, trying to cover what is online advertisement, email marketing, viral marketing, public comment sites, newsletter, what is blogging, automation for sales. There are different other tools that a company can adopt. So we are going to make our students familiar with the tools that are being required. The last P is a distribution and procurement, which again talks about the last P, that is the place, which is trying to learn what is the logistics and supply chain management through dominant technologies. Why would I say dominant technologies? These companies these days are trying to expand their SCM with the help of the technology, which keeps on changing on a day-to-day basis. How good are these technologies and how safe and secure are these technologies all about? That would be covered in this module. The last module talks about the legal issues in online marketing. This legal issues one should be aware about. When you are interested to learn about the online marketing, one should also be aware about the cons of using the online marketing. We'll try to come across what is spamming, what is e-contract formation, what is validation, what is e-authentication, e-information and confidentiality, and data protection that one should be aware of. So these are the 5 modules that we could be covering in this particular course. Thank you.